Hi. How to make the sound learn, live, language, lovely, alone, feel, help, English, tall, well, zero, people, simple, uncle, little, half, talk, could, one. When shall we leave? 2. Are you alone? 3. How do you feel? 4. Can I help you? 5. Look at those lovely little yellow flowers. 6. Learning a language can be difficult for some people. How to make the sound ready, really, right, road, room, ferry, sorry, wrap, wrist, right, right, road. 1. What are you reading? 2. I am really sorry, the room isn't ready. 3. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. 4. Too much writing makes my wrist ache. 5. Traveling by ferry. 6. Wrapping presents for Christmas.